welcome to a brand new YouTube video. Today we will be rigging a hand. So we will rig the wrist, the hand and the fingers including the thumb. Let's start and make sure to pick a solid model, not a hollow model that you can see through. Like you can check by going inside it, which in Blender 5.1 is very hard. And remember, this tutorial uses the version of Blender 5.1. As you can see above here, it says Blender 5.1.2. That's my version. That's the version I use. And every hand model is hollow from inside. But if you can see through here, then it's wasted. So let's start rigging it. So first we will click add over here or click shift A and click armature. The armature properties we put this way, set in front, and the bone is very small here, so it's resize it according to your mesh. Now let's go into edit mode. Shortcut is tab. Want to close. Yes, right. After clicking the armature object, let's go into edit mode and grab this. And click numpad 1 for the front view and click this upper knob here, click grab and Z and size it till it is at your wrist, not your actual wrist but the wrist in the 3D model of your hand. Grab it and Z. Grab it and Z. This hand has a bit of a tilt, but I figured it out. Look, you can barely see it. Let's just select it and grab and Z to align it a little bit. Or grab Z, and done. I'll grab X, so it could be in the middle. Now click this very small knob over here, grab it till it's here, the other one too, and now grab this knob and press E and then Z. Nice, perfect. Or not perfect for mine. Yep. Now it's kind of perfect. It's the armature object is just sticking out how it should be. Grab it here and press numpad 1 so you can go at the back of it, and then it should be this one. Grab this X and it's Z, and grab the I accidentally set the model type to wireframe. Let me put it, set it to original. Now there's a duplicate the hand bone by clicking Shift D, and now we will make the index finger. Run it the starting of the index. And not the here but the here. Then E to extrude. No, wait a second. Grab it to here, and then E to extrude to here, and then again E to extrude to here. Now let's align it. Make sure it's perfectly aligned, and then proceed. It should be in the middle. And remember, this is a beginner tutorial, not for professionals who don't know how to rig a hand, but most professionals know how to. Now it's going to post mode, because for the fingers we will do something amazing for the rotation. Numpad 7. Now let's click this bone. Go into the bone properties, holding shift, click the lower bone and click add bone constraint and add copy rotation. Set the target to armature and the bone to bone number 2, its upper bone. The target local space and the here is also local space. Now this will happen. You take the upper index finger and it will copy the rotation and the green bone will copy the rotation of it. So you don't have to set it up like you want your hand to be in a punch like pose, so it will be very easy. Now the lower finger should be same. Click the green finger, holding shift, click the its lower finger and add bone constraint to copy rotation, target local space, local space, and how can we forget the target and the bone. The bone will be its upper bone, the upper green bone. This eyedropper here and bone number 3. Now you take this bone and now they both both of the bones will be on its copy its rotation and art I to reset the rotation. Go to edit mode and select the whole finger and by holding shift click the hand bone and parent it by clicking Ctrl P and keep it offset. No, it's on. You don't have to the whole finger is in the option, only the upper finger. Most of you would make this mistake. And now parented, sorry, shift select hand bone and then parented to keep offset. Now we will duplicate our index finger by shift D and now start aligning the middle finger. Do it like you did with the index finger aligning. By the way, in Blender 5.1.2 it is auto aligned, right, not auto aligned, it's auto parented, and in post mode it's the same copy rotation thing. And I haven't completed my aligning yet, but I'm just showing. Now go to edit mode and I will complete mine, and here you go. Mine, okay. Now mine is done. Now we will repeat the same. Wait. Repeat the same with the other one. Just duplicate it by shift D and start aligning the ring finger. This knob over here, this one over here. Make sure it's fully aligned. Yes. And now duplicate your ring finger, not your actual ring finger, the ring finger in which the armature is selected, the armature ring finger. Shift D to duplicate, grab it and let's align the little finger. Grab it over here. Grab this knob to over here. This knob to over here. And this one to here. And from here. We will just grab these and align them. You have to align them from all sides, like our bones are aligned, our actual bones. But don't start aligning your actual bones. Now the armature of our of all the fingers are done. We just got the thumb. Select the whole little finger. How do I select it? It's so hard for me. Yes, I got an idea. No, not an idea. You just select yours. I will do it. I will try to do it. What is happening? Let's just take another finger, duplicate it. I'm taking another finger. If you can duplicate the little finger, please do. Because the thumb is smaller and the little finger is obviously small. The smallest finger. Thumb isn't actually a finger. Align it. The thumb will be kind of hard as it is on an angle. Nice. Now from here, we have to do no. This is in the armature, but our thumb is also aligned. Now let's go into object mode. The shortcut is tab. No, first go into pose mode to check. Do you know rotations? Yep, copy rotation is working for thumb. What? Done. The bone constraints are yes, correct. This was meant to be like this. Let's check this one because the index is rigid. And rotate. This is also rigid. Yep. Now go to object mode, shortcut tab from edit mode. And now first click the mesh, and by holding shift click the armature, and now click Ctrl P with automatic weights parented. think it's painted. What happened to the bones? Let's see. These will not be updated. Oh yes, bone hitting is fair. But if you paint it and if your model is not all from inside, then that's good news. Until I will see you in the next video. Bye.